What is raw, dehydrated pet food, and how do we make it? I'm Sam from Smack Pet Food, and I'm going to tell you how we hand make our pet food each day from gorgeous Winnipeg, Canada. All of our recipes start with 100% fresh, antibiotic-free chicken, wild salmon, organs, and bones. Ingredients that mirror the whole prey, meat-rich diet that dogs and cats require and crave. We also add in the essential antioxidants that help our pets with long-term health through preventative care. We then mix it all together to make a rich, tasty food. It's a complete and balanced diet for all breeds in all stages of life. We then place the mixture on baking trays with just the right amount of space between rows. This helps the dehydration process. Over the course of several hours, the food slowly and gently eliminates pathogenic bacteria such as Salmonella and Listeria, while protecting the rich nutrition of our ingredients. Dehydrating foods preserves all the living nutrients and enzymes that are necessary for complete long-term health. Our method eliminates the need for any preservatives, salts, sugars, or glycerins. When it's done, we slice the food into easily chewable sizes for our pets. Each bag goes through our rigorous quality assurance check. Once it's packaged, we ship it directly to our customers' doorsteps around the globe. We are certain that your pet will love the food and that you're going to love the results.